Good evening guys. Lalaro tayo ng Pinoy. Sana mag-enjoy kayo manood. At saka, yun lang. Start na natin yung game. Tuesday, 9 a.m. Another drab morning at Sunnyside Elementary. My veins course with drinky drink, yet even its kid tested, mother-approved flavor sat like ash in my mouth. The daily responsibilities of hall monitor rocked my mind, my sugary vices unable to fill the hole in my heart. Still, the empty cafeteria provided me quiet solace, far away from the troubled calls. Little did I know, trouble would find me, just as I began to savor my rare moment of peace. Mia. Rhubarb, I knew I'd find you in the cafeteria. Piling ko si Mia yung sumilip kanina. Siya yung nakakita sa atin sa loob habang kinakausap natin yung sarili natin dun sa loob. So, siya yun. I don't need other hall monitors drinking their worries away when I have a lot on my plate as it is. Ba't parang ang sungit ni Mia dito? Tarayin ko kaya to. Why aren't you out during the rounds? O diba? Halata sa face. Just taking a break, chief. None of your business. Since mataray ka naman, tatarayin na din kita. You're dang lucky you got the principal on your side. Ano to? Feeling ko, yung karakter natin na si Rhubarb, siya yung parang inaasahan ni principal. But if you don't cool the attitude, one day you're gonna really need me. And maybe I won't be there to help you. Asa ka? Whatever. Asa naman si Mia? Ano ba naman yan? The principal wanted to see you in the main office. So, hinahanap tayo ni principal. A new case probably just head down the hall. And if it's not too much to ask, maybe do your job. Aba, nilait tayo ni Mia. Since nilait tayo ni Mia, di na natin ito papansinin, di ba? Nilalait tayo ni Mia eh. Ano to? Quarter. Parang piso ba to? Baka meron tayong bibilhin, no? Blank paper. It looks like gelatin. Ketchup. Akala ko naman dugo. Nagulat pa ako. Parang nakikita ko yung ad na ganito. Pero hindi, nakalimutan ko na yung laro na yun eh. Bakit naman yan? Ano tong mga to? Pagkain. Mystery Mac. Kitchen. Oh, may piso ulit eh. Hindi tayo pwede dun sa kitchen. Ayaw nung character. Ano to? Annex A. Oh. Wala nung nangyari sa'yo, pre. I'm so nervous. I've got a huge... Grabe, kinawawa siya. Okay. Uy, may quarter. Banyo? Ano makikita sa banyo? May tao. Walang tao. Ay, may tao. Occupied nga, nakalagay. Wala na. Ano to? Cafeteria. Babalik. Ano to? Blacktop. Ako, yung bawal tayo dyan. What's this? Oy, mat room. May piso ulit. Mia probably left this here while working on another case. It's missing a battery and a cassette. PEMDAS! Ano to? Arithmetic? Wow! Humans are messy sick beings. I take no pleasure in the false refugee of arithmetic. Panis! Alam ko na arithmetic yan. Math class got much more exciting. Nakalock yung drawer. Balik na tayo sa labas. Nakalock. Ayan na yung principal. Walang makita. Dito muna tayo sa lab. Uy, may piso ulit. Ano to? All suck. Smells. Ang baho. Love chart. Wala, hindi mo pwede mapindot. Ano to? Pwedeng buksan? Hindi. Labas na. May pupan. May piso ulit, oh. Grabe naman yung locker ko. Ba't nyo binaboy? My locker. It smells of mustard. Naku, nabully. Oh, may lapis ako. Sino to? Kimi? Kimi? Ano yan? Keme? Nurse office. Nurse. Okay, may tao sa loob so hindi yung pwede ko. Hello, girl. Fantastic. Another yellow jacket here to grill me. Spare me. The other hall monitor already has an eye on me. You actually care about the students here. Maybe you'd help me find my sports ball. Melvin kicked it off the blacktop when I suggested the game and now I can't find it. Not very fun to play with if I have time. Find yourself. Ang savage naman ng karakter ko. Find it yourself. Pag ba tinulungan kita, bibigyan mo ba ako ng pera? What if? Tulungan na lang natin, di ba? Mabait ako eh. You better make it. You better make time. Sunnyside relies on its sports. Grabe. Grabe ka naman, sis. Wait lang, inahanap ako ni principal eh. Dito ata yun eh, di ba, blacktop? So, hindi ko pa siya pwedeng ma-open. Punta muna tayo sa principal. Bro, bakit ang dilim? Hello, sir. Ba't po ang dilim ng ano nyo, room? Sir. Oh, ang cute ng telepono mo, sir. The principal. Whole monitor rhubarb. So glad you could join me. I have an issue that needs resolving. Melvin has been getting out of PE for their 8 school days straight. While the use of sick notes is not uncommon, the frequency and reasons are suspicious. The parents make heavy contributions to our school, so unfortunately my hands are tied on this matter. However, a fellow student is in a much healthier position to bring justice to this fellow. Find proof of forgery and I can get this lowlife off the hose and back in detention. Your first suspect is Sissy, who was caught forging parental signatures 5 months ago. Sissy served time in detention before, but if they've fallen back in crime, we can get 2 birds with 1 stone. You can miss Sissy front of the school, yellow umbrella. And hall monitor rhubarb? Please do be discreet. It would be a pity if you lost hall monitor responsibilities. Okay, ano to? Talk to Sissy outside. Okay. So, nakita na natin yung front door. Ito, into the front. Oh! Yan ba yun? Yung nagpo-forge ng signature. Bagay, ginagawa din naman namin yun dun sa school. Kasi hindi pinapayagan ng magulang. Kaya, kailangan mo talaga i-forge yun. Kaya, huwag nyo ako tularan, guys. Masama yun. Oh my God. My God, guys. Kakausapin ko ba to? Parang nakakatakot. Tignan, no? Sisi. Nagsisisi ka ba sa ginawa mo? Sisi. Baka ako yung sisihin eh. Hall monitor. Rhubarb. Where's my name? If you're here about Melvin, I can assure you I have nothing to do with it. Oh, discreet siya. Discreet. I put that life behind me. I swear it. I don't believe you. It doesn't matter. I just need a person to put in detention. Bro! Direct to the point yan. Mahuhuli tayo. Baka hindi niya sabihin si ano. I believe you, but you have to help me. Uy! What if i-gaslight ko tong babaeng na to? Joke lang, hindi marunong mag-gaslight sa mga ano ah. What if i-gaslight ko siya? Pag ito ang sinabi ko, baka magkaroon ng trust issues sa akin. At na lang. A chance to prove it is all I need. Okay. Melvin is either making the sick notes or has found another forger. Ah, okay. Nagets ko na. Si Melvin yung nagpapautos. Okay. Siya yung nag-uutos na gumawa ng notes. Eh, yun yung pinapahanap ni ni principal. If you can get the old stick notes from the Coach Hypatia, Coach Hypa, you'll find them past the cafeteria on the blacktop. Yun, nabuksan ko na yung map ng blacktop. Baka doon ko mahanap yung hinahanap ni sino na yun? Si Kimi. Okay. Yan na yung task ko. Get the old sick notes for CC. Okay, balik ako sa'yo, CC ah. Ito may pinapakuha tong babaeng to eh. Oh, na-open ko na yung laptop. Oh, sino to? Zane. Coach Hypatia. 5 piso. Back. Ayan na yung bola oh. Shiny Sport Ball. An official sport ball league sports ball. May piso ulit. Wala akong matouch dito. Ayan na. Balik ko muna kay Kimi. Maya na kayo. Uy, may piso. Talas ng mata ko dun ah. Back. Ayan na si Kimi. Ah, okay. Ganyan. Uy! May nakuha tayong cassette tape. Wait. Battery na lang ang kulang. Ayun oh. Uy, battery na lang ang kulang. Bawal pa rin tong nurse office. Galing ah. Ito, baka may battery to. Oh, may old sock. Uy, sa'yo ba to? Oh, tama ko. Ang galing ah. Just give me a few minutes to slip this on. It takes longer when my mom isn't here to help me. Maybe I can pull the batteries from this toy for my audio recorder. Oh! Ang genius ko naman doon! Ang galing! One day, you're going to look in the mirror. Look at your limp, sad muscles, and wonder where you went wrong. I need access to Melvin's sick notes. Finally decided to nail the coward. It's about time. I have the sick notes, but they're locked in a drawer. The key fell out of my pocket while I was in the cafeteria. I will pick it up, but I can just pry open the drawer with my hands if I need be. Grabe ka naman, coach. Grabe ka naman talaga, coach, no? Burara si coach, burara. Balik tayo sa cafeteria kasi doon daw niya naiwan. So, saan ko hahanapin yung key? Oh, brass key. There's a small brass key under the grate. This must be the key to Coach Haipa, drawer in the mat room. Uy! Big tips kasi, pag mga ganitong laro na point click, para yan, ito na cafeteria, ganun, may lalabas dito sa taas. Punta na tayo sa mat room. Dito daw yung drawer niya eh. The brass key slides, initially revealing a stuffed drawer. There's a bunch of papers. A large portion of its top stack are all sick notes for Melvin. I can bring this back to CC. Maybe I can get some perspective on this low life. Uy. Ano yung nakuha natin? Sick notes. Bibigay natin kay CC. Get those texts from Coach. Ay. Melvin probably has something to synthesize similar signatures over and over. Get whatever Melvin is using and you'll be able to squeeze a confession out. Try checking the locker next to the mat room. That one should belong to Melvin. So, ano yung task? Obtain a working recorder. Discover Melvin's forgery tool. Find out where Melvin is. Di pa ako pumupunta dito, no, sa kabila. Wala. Ba't ang lungkot naman ni ate? Diyos ko, ba't nyo naman pinalungkot tong batang to? Go away. I'm busy crying. Go harass other people. Yellow jacket. Are you okay? My unhappy demeanor contrasts strongly with the imagery that Sunside seeks to evoke. Look at this sun, so happy, cool and carefree. I'm simply highlighting the stark contrast between the unhappy students and the principal's public image. Oh, medyo rude yan ah. Can I help you? It will be a great help if I had something that better represented these squalid halls. My face alone doesn't seem to be cutting it for the visiting parents. So, siya, hindi siya tawag dito? Parang gusto niya atang subaybayan yung mga malulungkot na mga estudyante. So, kailangan nating bigyan siya siguro ng nakakalungkot na item. Sino yan? Pero parang may gusto kasi akong bigyan muna eh. Ito, malungkot. Diba ito yung malungkot na student? Si Bimble. Si paring Bimble. Tapos, ang alam ko dito, sabi niya, diba, gusto niya ng merong machuchu. So, kapag bata ka, lahat naman tayo dumaan sa pagkabata. So, feeling ko, itong lapis ang magandang iregalo sa kanya. Para kagatin niya nga eh. Ganon. O, diba? Logic, guys. Logic. Since I'm so nice, I'll give you the pencil back to you. Okay, binalik niya. O, masaya na siya ngayon. Panis. Wait. Balik tayo kay Balik tayo dun sa babae ito. Si Tatum. Go away. Wait lang, mali. What if ibigay natin yung nakuha ni ni Bimble. Oh, yan. Ang galing. Nice logic. This is perfect. Now I can look sad with a sad pencil. Now that I have dedicated my life to fighting the system, I have no need for fun or hobbies anymore. Here's my old bag catching net. Goodbye for fun life. Hello, radical organization. Oh, grabe naman yan. Nice posing, guys. Nice posing, Tatum. Nice posing. Okay. Puntahan natin yung bagong karakter. Eto, si Gilbert. Hello, Gilbert. If you're looking for that PE dodger, I know exactly where Melvin's hiding. But it's going to cost you 8 quarters. Don't get angry. I know how valuable information is for your operation. Eh, paano pag ayaw ko? Paano pag ayaw ko? Parang gusto kong ibigay. Sige, bigyan na lang natin. Lah. Ay, ayaw. Ayaw ng karakter ko. Diba? Oh. Ginawang whistle. Wala tayong choice. Okay. Quit using that whistle. I'll tell you where Melvin is. The first bathroom stall in this annex. Now leave me alone. Ah, so siya yung nandun sa banyo. Okay. So, meron na si dito. Yung last task meron na. Yung obtain a working recorder na lang. Saan ko makikita yun? Wala man dito. Masaya na si Bimble. Baka meron pa dito tayo na iwan. Oh, sino yan? Hello, sir. Who are you? Oh, hey, hall monitor. Some kid kicked in the stove, so I got a hammer to bang out the dent. But when I got back from the hardware store, the dent had popped itself out. Life is nice, like that sometimes. I do enjoy the nice things that happen every now and then, no matter how small. Same, Shafi, same. Anyway, here's the hammer. I don't need it anymore. Uy, binigay tayo ng hammer. So, pwede akong mambasag ng locker dito sa gilid. Eto, yung mga lockers. Hammer. I swing hard down on the lock. It shatters along with Melvin's right to privacy. Uy, signature. This is Melvin's method of forgery. One step closer to our confrontation. Okay. Yung obtain na working recorder na lang. Parang meron akong nakalimutan dito banda sa cafeteria. Etong mystery na to. Bakit siya tinawag na Mystery Mac? It's supposed to be macaroni and hot dogs, but it's liquid now. They had to switch to a stainless steel pot after the previous container eroded away. It melts through almost everything. Really makes you wonder what the hot dogs are made of. Para saan kaya to? Ooh! Uy! Nice logic tayo doon na. Nice logic. Tapos yung binigay ni sabi meron daw, nakalagay yung erosion. Made of strong, specifically erosion resistant silk. Meron na. Uy! Meron na yung battery. Ang galing. So, pwede na natin kausapin si Melvin sa banyo. Ikaw bata ka. May tinatago ko palang kabalastugan dito sa banyo. I can hear Melvin breathing behind the stall door. I think I'm ready for confrontation. Knock on the door! I knock on the door 3 times. It slowly creaks open. Grabing itsura yan, Sabog na sabog, Sabog na sabog, Melvin. Listen, Yellow Jacket. I don't have time to be wasting with the likes of you. I happen to be very unwell right now. I know what you're up to, Melvin. What you're up to in the bathroom stall for an hour then? Ay, confront na natin to kagad. Huwag na nating paligoy-ligoy pa. Up to what? I've been doing nothing wrong. As a sick individual with the proper paperwork, I'm untouchable, hall monitor. Wow, defensive si Kuya. No use trying to hassle me. I've got nothing to hide. Shouldn't hide this signature template better. No, that can't be. How did you find my template? It should have been in my locker. Oh, I get it now. You're just jealous. Jealous. Nagje-jealousy ako. Hindi ako nagje-jealous. You got lucky being selected to be a hall monitor. But I am smart. I work to get out of PE. Pwede ka namang mag-drop, diba? Bakit kailangan mo pa mag-forgery? I rose above you and you couldn't stand it. And now, I'm ruined. Talaga lang kasi naman talaga magandang gawain yan sa school, yung forgery. Melvin fell into a fit of crying soon after. Si Yakin pala to eh. Yakin. Thank you for watching guys, pero feeling ko ayan na yung last ng part ng video na to. So I hope na nag-enjoy kayo and see you around soon.